Oh yeah, and then one more thing, just a quick update. I am currently in the Tacoma, as you guys can see. Like I said, it's gonna be a busy day today. I'm gonna try to hopefully replace the radio. As you guys can see, it's a stock radio still. So I want to go ahead and take care of that. This one is actually missing the antenna, so I can't even use that radio unless, you know, I have a CD or whatnot. So I was able to pick up after my little Pioneer doubled-in stereo. It's got like Bluetooth capabilities, stuff like that. So I figured, you know, I got it at a decent price. I figured I'd throw that in there for now. You know, nothing too crazy, but I feel like, you know, the Bluetooth will help out a lot with my phone. And it does have a charging port on the actual stereo itself, so hopefully that works, and that'll be really helpful. So after I hopefully go check out the wheels, if everything checks out, I'll go ahead and pick those up, and then I'll make my way back and go ahead and see if I can have the stereo installed. I called around for some quotes. Some of them wanted like $100, some 150, so I'm gonna see. But I'll go ahead and pick this up in a bit, and I'll show you guys a quick video of the stereo when I get back. Right now I'm currently on my way to a stereo shop around here, so they can install the stereo that I have for the Tacoma, which is this one here. It's a Pioneer doubled in stereo. It's the AV120 BT, so it's nothing crazy. It's just a simple, you know, doubled in stereo. It does have the AUX connection on it, along with the USB. And then most importantly, the reason why I bought it for is the Bluetooth. So it does have Bluetooth on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that in a bit right now. And then I'll give you an update as to how it comes out. That's the current one right now. It's obviously, you know, the stock one that it comes with the 2001, I believe, to 2004 Toyota Tacoma, the pre-runners. That's what it comes with. But yeah, guys, I'll go ahead and get this installed, and then I'll probably do like a quick walk around the truck, see how it looks and stuff. So far, I've just done, I've just tinted the windows, I've washed it. I gotta still have to replace the windshield because it has a few cracks, and tint the windshield. That's the plan, at least. Right now, I did tint the rest of the windows, and it is limo tint. So I'll give you guys a look right there. That's limo all around. During the day, you can clearly see outside, no problem. At night, it is a little, you know, hard to look, but I mean, it's not too bad. It's not as bad as you would think. But yeah, my plan is to tint the windshield. As you can see the difference between the two right there, tint versus no tint. The tint does help a lot. It's a major difference if you have tinted windows. It keeps the heat out. So that's pretty much what I want as I, you know, commute a lot. It definitely helps with the heat. And then, you know, like if you don't have AC, stuff like that, you can just crack your windows and you'll be good. Compared to as if you don't have tint, it gets really hot. You get sunburn on your arms and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend, you know, tint. I know they have like ceramic tint and stuff like that. For me, for this truck, it's not that big of a deal, so I just went ahead and did regular tint on it. I got a good deal on it, so I was like, oh, I'll just, you know, just do regular tint. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get this install going, and then I'll let you guys know in a bit. What is going on, everyone? So this video is just a follow-up video from my last video when I went to install this stereo on my first gen Tacoma. That's a pre-runner. So just my feedback on it. I've had it on about 2 weeks. Given I haven't really driven the truck, I maybe driven about a week. But so far, as you know, the stereo goes, for what I paid for it, it's a pretty good deal, I would say. I mean, you have, you know, your regular FM, AM radio, you have your CD. You're also able to plug in your USB right there, charge your phone. It doesn't seem to be, like, I don't think it charges this as, you know, quickly as if you were to plug it into the wall or whatnot. So I wouldn't use that as a, you know, reliable charging source. But it also does have a USB, Bluetooth, the AUX cable, and it does come with a reverse camera. I don't have it installed in it currently, and I don't think I will, honestly. But other than that, I mean, it's like a pretty good stereo for what I paid for it. For the price point, I mean, you can't really go wrong with it. Of course, you know, it's not the best quality out there. I'm sure there's better stereos out there than this one. But for the price, like I said, it's a pretty good buy. The main reason I bought it for was because of the Bluetooth. I needed Bluetooth capabilities, you know, that way I can just get in the car and hook it up to Bluetooth. But other than that, I mean, if you guys, you know, looking for like a backup camera or something to charge your phone with, I'm sure there's better options out there. This one I got for under $100. I believe it was like 90 bucks or something like that. So I got a decent deal on it. Of course, after that, you have to get it installed in the truck or car or whatever you have. For the first generation Tacomas, it's actually not a hard thing to do by yourself. You can actually do it on your one. For the Tacomas, you can easily do it yourself. Just, you know, search it up, and it's easy. You know, get yourself the harness and plug it in. You don't really need a kit for it per se, as most other vehicles require. But yeah, guys, I would definitely give it a try if, you know, it's something you're, you know, interested in. I mean, I would go for it. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, it's a pretty good buy, I would say. You're also able to look at DVDs in here, or watch DVDs, watch a movie. Of course, you know, the quality is not the best quality, but I mean, for the price, like I said, I think it's a pretty good deal. I mean, for me, really, all I really needed was a Bluetooth, so just for that and the radio, I mean, that's pretty much, you know, worth it for 90 bucks. Beats the OEM one. So if you guys are interested in it, it is a Pioneer double din. It's the AVH 120BT. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but yeah, it's a AVH 120BT. I have had the other one in the past that I believe is a 110, but I mean, same thing. It's pretty much this one. I guess it's an upgraded version of it. But pretty good deal. Like I said, check it out. I'll probably put the link in the bio below, so check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Just want to do a follow-up. So far, I would say it's worth it for the price. And then if you can install it yourself, even better. But yeah, other than that, I did detail the truck. I did a full-on detail of it, exterior, interior. But then here in Southern California, we had fires about a week ago, and it's pretty bad now. I mean, it's worse than what I had it before. It's full of ash and dusty and stuff like that, and I just had it parked. So I'll probably do a walk around, or I'll give it a quick rinse and wash it again, and then do another walk around after replacing the stock wheels with other stock wheels from a newer Tacoma. I believe it was a 2019 or 2020 Tacoma. 17-inch wheels. They have BF Goodrich KOs on them. They look pretty good. So we'll see. I'm trying to sell the stock ones that I had on it before, and then I'll have these as my stock pair. And then I do have those Method racing wheels with KO2s on them. So ideally that's the one that I want to put on it, but I kind of want to do the lift on the truck first, or a little lift in the front. We'll see. I'm still researching that and see what's better. If you guys know, for a first gen Tacoma, what's the best route to go? I'm not looking for anything too crazy. Maybe like a 3-inch lift in the front, and about an inch or two in the back, or a level on the back, something like that. Let me know in the comments down below. I think I might go with some leaf springs, Old Man Emu leaf springs. I heard you get about an inch and a half off of those, and then replacing the rear shocks as well, because I'm sure those are worn out. But I'll see. We'll go from there. I'll come up with another update video once I get a little bit more info on that. As I'm still working on selling the other truck I have, the Chevy, I've decided I'm going to go ahead and sell that one and probably keep this one and work on this a bit. So more videos to come on this. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video.